before again, I do not claim any of this. This video is not mine. Go check out the original artist. Once again, it's not mine. Remember that. I did not make this music video at all. Now then, now to get to the point, bitch. Enough of coughing, baby, and hydrogen bomb. Next up, another song by Keys again. I forgot to mention the artist is Keys. If I forget, the artist once again. It's spelled Keys Keys. Because if I forget, I'm a big dum dum. I should be deserved to be banished to the Twitter shadow realm, even though I installed Twitter once. Yeah, just once. So I'm not stuck in the Twitter rabbit hole, whatever. Fucking golden euphoria or whatever.
Filling up your gas tank has gone.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Good. My God, how do ow, my ears. In a good way, I guess. Fuck it. Golden Euphoria by Keys once again. Not mine. Just gotta do another disclaimer. Not mine. I did not make this song. I did not write it. I did not help him. I am just doing a sound test video between this phone, a 22 Ultra, and a 26 Ultra. Okay, next. Well done, well done, well done, well done, well done. I think I'm done here. I was doing my work, okay? And happy late New Brunswick Day if anyone's watching this after New Brunswick Day. Happy New Brunswick Day. Now then, remember, go and look in the description if there is a link. If I do forget, then I'm a dum-dum. But remember, the name of the channel is Keys, Keys. Keys. Go in your folder. That's the song. This is not my song. I did not make this once again. Link in the description if I didn't forget. Okay, make sure you have a very gay.